Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Miss Chevis and thank you for clicking this video. So today I will be doing my review and also demo of the new ABH Magic Touch Concealer. I have been using it for 2 days, so I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts and also, like I said, demo of the concealer. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I don't have time to do a demo right now because I started very late. It's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I have been using the concealer for 2 days. So before I'm going to do my demo and also guys to get my final thoughts, I'm going to read information about the new concealer. So the new concealer from ABH retails for $29. It has 11.3 grams or 0.4 ounces, so it's quite a lot. It's a little bit more, like 1 ml more than the Dior concealer. This one I have been using for I don't know how long, but I have been using this one for a while now. I ran out of my Pat McGrath concealer. I used up that concealer, so I have been using the Dior concealer. I also like Pat McGrath concealer, so I'm gonna continue with the concealer. So I'm gonna read information. So it's a medium to full coverage, creamy and lightweight formula that corrects, brightens, blurs, and conceals while blending to a natural second skin finish. It has medium to full coverage, free of parabens. It is also vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. So it helps to hydrate the delicate under eye area and provide smooth, creaseless, and comfortable wear without oxidizing or settling into fine lines. The amino acid coated pigments ensure immediate adhesion and easy blendability, while light reflecting ingredients neutralize imperfections for a soft focus effect. So this one has, so this one has a shelf life of 12 months, and this is made in Italy. Wow, made in Italy for $29. So 25, it came up with 25 shades, so still needs like in between shades and also like darker shades, because I was having hard time. I'm light to medium with neutral undertone. They don't have any for like neutral, so I was having hard time choosing my right shade. I was gonna pick up shade 11, which is like a medium with warm golden, but look a little too dark, so I picked up the number 7 instead. I'm really glad because I mean this is like a perfect match for my skin tone. So I'm going to show you guys the inside. So this is a huge concealer. Looks huge. So this is the Dior, and this is the ABH. You can see it's huge. I like the doe foot applicator. This one has the dewy finish. I know some people are not into dewy concealers, but I do not really mind at all because I have dry skin, and also I always set my under eyes because I have fine lines. I have, dry under eyes. The only powder that I have been using for my dry eyes is this one, the Givenchy Personal Libre powder. This one works amazing. I have been using this for maybe 4 months. So this one works together with the Givenchy. It just gives me that flawless finish. It's dewy, so if you have oily skin, you don't need to set your under eyes. If you have combo or what do you call this, normal skin, you still need to set your eyes if you want this one to last long on your under eyes. But for me, for my dry under eyes, for my dry skin, this looks amazing. It gives me medium to full coverage. I do not need to like apply too much because of the coverage, and it has a really nice undertone, not too warm, not too golden. So this is like a medium with warm golden undertone. I am light medium with neutral undertone. It still has the neutral undertone, but not too that doesn't look too gray, doesn't look too yellow. It's just like a perfect undertone for my skin tone. So I already applied my foundation, foundation, and primer. I'm wearing Tatcha Silk Canvas primer and Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in 4.5. For the eyes, I'm wearing the Pat McGrath Chef 9 Utopian Dream for the third, maybe fourth time with the Huda Beauty Wild Python, only the matte shades. So very very nice. I have been really loving the Pat McGrath Model Shift 9. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to do a demo right now. This is the huge doe foot applicator. So I'm gonna apply, because you can see guys, I have like dark circles, I have fine lines. So I always, set my under eyes, although I have dry skin. And you see my veins right here. I have a lot of veins on my left under eye. Oh my god, I just applied my lashes too. Great. I'm gonna use my what is this one? Elf sponge. I love Elf. Most of the sponges are actually really really good from Elf. So this is the shade number 7 on my skin. So I'm just gonna continue blending this out. See? Wow. I mean, I do not need to apply another layer. Maybe I'm gonna need a little bit, but not that much. So good. So I'm gonna apply a little bit here, here, and here, because I have a lot of veins on this side. I already have the powder. I only always use a little bit because I have dry skin. But one good thing about this powder, doesn't look cakey, doesn't feel cakey, even though apply way too much sometimes, even most of the time. So I'm gonna press it under my eyes. It melts into the skin right away. That's why I really like this powder. See, flawless. Gives me the really flawless, smooth finish. So this is with the powder. This is without. See a little bit of dewiness going on my left side. Nice. And I'm gonna apply a little bit. Oh, I cannot stop looking at my monitor right now. My under eyes look so smooth, so smooth. I can see my fine lines. I have fine lines. I have dark circles. I have veins. I'm 36 years old, so yeah, it is what it is. It's part of getting old. So as you can see, very nice, very smooth. This is medium to full coverage. I love this one. This one has way more coverage than the Dior. I like this Dior, but this one I do not have to use a lot. I don't have to layer, like two. I don't have to use 2 layers, just maybe 1 and a little bit more. That's all. With this one I have to use a maybe 2 layers of this with a little bit of the Bobbi Brown color corrector. With this I do not have to use that much. So nice. $29 with yours at $34. This is huge. This is also very huge. I like this packaging. So I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I did my lighting a little bit. So this is the completed makeup look. So I'm also wearing the ABH Golden Tan, Cream Bronzer in Golden Tan, and also the blush stick in shade Latte. But this highlighter from N.Y.M.P.H, from Huda Beauty, N.Y.M.P.H, from her N.Y.M.P.H line. This is amazing. It's a cream highlighter. I'm just gonna talk a little bit of this one. It's amazing. It lasts a long time, even though it's hot and humid. This is so good. I mean, see, the wet look effect. My camera's heating up again. So let me know, guys, what you think about the new concealer from ABH. If you tried this new one, let me know. Let me change up my lighting a little bit. So let me know, guys, what you think about this new concealer. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.